name is Luba. I'm from Ukraine, and seeing everything which is happening here, we're thinking that spreading the message about what you do here to Ukraine is very interesting. So could you probably tell a bit about yourself and how did you manage to organize this art?
Okay, so my name is Onur. I am from Turkey. I work for Greenpeace Mediterranean. So I was part of the team who set up the solar things here in the park. Actually, I'm not the one who built the shudder one. It's another person. But we decided to bring all the solar cookers, solar oven, solar thermoses, solar lamps, and the panels to show people that renewable energy, decentralized renewable energy is the solution. This afternoon I will have a workshop where people will be able to cook with the solar cooker and the oven, and they will also do their own solar cooker, a small one. And with the solar panels we charge up the batteries that provide electricity so that in the night we can watch movies, we can charge our phones and computers.
Here in this art cafe.
Yes.
Right? So could you probably take a look at this device, right? And you tell how it works? Because in Ukraine they are not very popular, you know? So what is this?
And parabolic solar cooker. It's how it functions is that it focuses the sunlight to one point. It's made of steel and aluminium. And it's very simple. As I said, it just focuses the sunlight, and it creates a lot of heat. So you can make pancakes, eggs, or fry things. It works perfectly like a cooker. It's 1.4 meters. This means that normally you should be able to cook for 20 people with this. And you adjust it according to the position of the sun to have the sunlight at the right spot.
Okay, and are they expensive? Like if a person wants to buy this?
This costs 300 euros. But as I said, this is a big one. It's a one for 20 people. And you can have the smaller ones, and you can also make one at home as well.
Okay, so let's go probably to these devices. What are they for?
These are the solar thermoses. They heat up the water. The same idea, just focuses the light, and usually in 20 minutes, half an hour, it boils up a liter of water to 100 degrees.
So is this the tea which you serve here prepared like this?
Yes, yes. And we also will make kind of a Turkish pilav, and we need to use water. The water will come from here. Yeah,
So
and we also have a solar oven. We made this ourselves actually. It's very easy to make. I can explain the system. So this works with the Serra gas effect. So the air inside gets hot, and the sun reflects, and then it works basically like an oven. And this is just wood. The core is wooden, and this is aluminium slide that is glued here. Here it's two pieces of glass. It's double glass, so it really locks up the air inside. And here it's again metal, but painted with black that is resistant to heat. It works like an oven. Usually with the ovens you don't open it all the time, you just open it a few times. So with this you can make, you can cook many things. In an hour we will be able to cook rice. In 2 hours you are able to cook potatoes and hard vegetables. And I think for meat it takes 3 hours. But it also depends on where you are, and I think now we have nice sun. But if we were in southern Spain or places where there's much more sun, it will be. Yeah, but you will see it how it functions. So
Okay. And how much energy do these two panels give?
This produces 470 watts peak. So this is the maximum amount of energy that they can produce technically with the all optimum conditions and the air, where the sun comes from, the cables, everything. It's 470.
So how many laptops can it?
Usually it depends on how much you fill up the batteries, but usually 9 laptops you can charge, 9 computers and some phones. But because there are only 2 of them, you can only you cannot heat things. You cannot use things with resistance.
And what about those? They are accumulators or
Yeah, there's
those big boxes?
they are the batteries, so the energy is stored there, so that in the night we can use them directly.
Okay. So, any questions, Ukrainian team? Anything else you would want to know?
Какая вообще организация, да, где находится, для чего это, для кого?
Okay. Then thank you very much. We'll be
Very
looking
welcome.
for.
So what we are trying to do is show how solar energy is, and because when we talk about climate change, we offer the solution as decentralized renewable energy, but people don't know how solar functions. But actually there are many ways we can use energy and reduce from already what we are doing. And I'm sure in Ukraine also you have a lot of renewable energy capacity.
Okay, thanks. And how do you spell your name?
Onur.
It's N.
Yes,
Yeah?
Onur. Yes.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you very much.